Congratulations! At this point, you have completed your Human Resources screening interview for Montgomery County Public Schools. You're on your way to the next steps in the hiring process. We are hoping that you are being prepped and ready to join our workforce of 23,000 employees that includes over 13,000 teachers. 86.4% of our teachers have a master's degree or equivalent. Our student demographics are a representation of what we believe makes our system the best among the state and the nation. We take great pride in our diverse student population, and we're looking to always increase our workforce to align with the diverse population that is among our students and staff in Montgomery County Public Schools. As you take the opportunity to consider school systems you wish to join, please take note of our comprehensive benefit package. Montgomery County Public Schools has terrific benefits to offer all of our employees. Tuition reimbursement, up to 9 credits per school year, is reimbursable to every employee that is taking a graduate level course. Our reimbursement rate is 50% of whatever the University of Maryland is charging for a 3-credit class. We are able to reimburse our employees at that same rate, regardless of which institution you choose to complete your graduate coursework for salary and certification advancement. Our health insurance includes dental, prescription, vision, life, tax-deferred annuity programs, our retirement savings, and flexible spending accounts. All extremely competitive with school systems in our neighboring area and does beat all private industry for benefit. The next steps in the hiring process, now that you've completed that screening interview, is to make sure your profile includes all of the necessary documents for the staffing coordinator team to review your data points. That includes your completed screening interview, your reference, your resume, any teaching certificates you may have from other states, if applicable, your praxis scores, transcripts, references from a current principal or your mentor teacher, are all of the necessary data points we review to consider your employment with Montgomery County Public Schools. Please know that once these items, such as a reference or an official transcript, arrive in our office, our staffing team works very diligently to upload those documents to your profile and send you a confirmation email to alert you that it has arrived safely in our office and is now part of your application packet. So no need to worry. Look for those confirmation email, which will assure you that it has been received. The goal is for you to then move forward to become a pre-qualified candidate. A pre-qualified candidate has all of the necessary documents in, has had a complete profile review, has met the standards and expectations of a Montgomery County Public School teacher, future employee, and are ready now to be considered for interviews at the school level. A pre-qualified candidate is able to start to view all of our vacancies on our MCPS website starting in early April. Please make sure you take the time to view all vacancies on MCPS Careers twice a day. We recommend reviewing all of the vacancies in the morning and in the afternoon. With a school system as large as Montgomery County, we have continuous hiring happening on a daily basis, and positions are rotating constantly. You are eligible to look for vacancies, apply, and await an invitation for an interview. The schools will interview you and then make a recommendation for hire. The Office of Human Resources completes the hiring process. You will then work with the Human Resources team to discuss salary, next steps, and all of the next critical pieces of information to complete your hiring process, such as our compliance training, fingerprinting, and necessary clearances deemed by the state of Maryland. Important reminders: per the Maryland State Department of Education, there are critical dates if you are seeking employment with us as a teacher with experience from another school system in the state of Maryland. If you are a tenured teacher, that means you have completed 3 successful years. Tenured teachers under the Maryland State COMAR regulations must resign from their current public school system by July 15th in order to be considered for hire by other public school systems in Maryland. Non-tenured teachers in the state of Maryland, meaning you have had less than 3 years in your school in one of the Maryland systems, must resign by May 1st. Your Maryland teaching certificate is quite important. When we offer you a position with our school system, our certification team will obtain all of the necessary paperwork from you, including your official transcripts, your test scores, and Maryland or any other state certification to process your Maryland teaching certificate for you. Our certification team handles the entire process. Those are the important next steps in our hiring process now that you've completed your screening interview. We look forward to reviewing your completed application and all applicable data points to consider you for hire with Montgomery County Public Schools.